Hi all of you, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can encrypt your playbook, how you can create a password in your playbook so someone edits your playbook so he can't enter your playbook without giving password. So let me show you. It is known as Ansible Vault. So let me show you. Let me do ls. So there is my playbook. Let me go into my playbook. This is my master node. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my master one. Okay, where I created playbook in my previous videos, as you all know. So playbook, and let me do ls here. First YAML. So if I open that YAML file, let me first clear this. Let me first, yeah. So if I open this YAML file, okay, so now you can see that it is opening. Okay, but let me first go out. Yeah, but if I like do this Ansible hyphen vault, and I want to encrypt this. Okay, if I write here, not this, yeah, this, but before this I should write here, wait a minute, let me do first ctl plus l. Okay, so let me first remove this. Now encrypt, encrypt, it is not working. Encrypt. Okay, so if I run this command, Ansible Vault encrypt this YAML file when I press enter. So now it is asking me for a password. So let me write a password. Let me write password, anything. Okay, I am writing password, but you can't see it. Let me confirm it as well. So now encryption successful. But now if I open my YAML file, so you can see this. So, okay, so this is your encryption, and it is encrypted by this latest encryption algorithm, which is known as AES 256, which is your latest one, which is nowadays WhatsApp is also using this algorithm. Okay, so let me go out by pressing :Q. So if someone wants to go in your if like you want to, if you also want to check your YAML file, if you want to edit your YAML file, so how can you do that? Because you have encrypted your file, so you can't edit it by this vi editor. Okay, so now you have to do like Ansible Vault. Okay, now you have to write here edit first YAML. So now it is asking me again for a password. So now let me write password. So now I am in my playbook. Okay, so that is how you can encrypt your playbook as well. Okay, let me write first. Yeah, so if you want to remove your password, if you don't want password anymore, if you don't want encryption anymore, so how can you do that? You can do that by writing this Ansible decrypt. Okay, decrypt. Okay, by using decrypt, so it is asking you last time to write password. Okay, so I will write here my password. So now decryption is successful, as you can see. So now if I want to open my YAML file using vi editor, so I can open this as well. Now you can see that it is working, but before it was not working. So this is your decryption and encryption. Okay, if you want to create your file, like for example, like you are, let me write Ansible Vault first. So like you are creating a new file, for example, and you want that file to be encrypted while creating. Okay, so what you can do, you can write here anything like second.yaml. This is my second file. Okay, and if you want to create it as an encrypted file from scratch, so you can write here create. Okay, use create. Okay, now it is asking for me password, so let me write a password for it as well. So now you can see that I am in that file, but I don't want to create a file, so that's why let me just remove that file. rm-rf what is my file name, second.yaml. So let me copy it from here. So now my file is removed, as you can see that. Okay, so yeah, that's about for today. I think you all now know what is the use of Ansible Vault, because in interview they can ask you that what is Ansible Vault and what is it is used for, so you can answer that as well, and also you can practice it as well. So the correct definition and the correct information about the Ansible Vault is in the description. You can check it out. It is in the document form, so you can check it out as well. So there is a blog on your Ansible Vault, you can check it out, I've created. So yeah, I think that's about for today, and that's about for Ansible Vault. This is enough, and I will be teaching you the what are Ansible roles in my next video. So just stay tuned with my channel, and if you haven't subscribed it, just subscribe that. Okay, I will be meet you in my next video.